Hello children, let's continue the lesson The Stone Age. Moving on to today's topic New Stone Age. The period from 8000 to 4000 BCE is called as the New Stone Age or the Neolithic Age. The word neo means new. Some of the sites belonging to New Stone Age found by the Archaeological Department in India are Kashmir, Assam, Bihar, Odisha, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Let's explore the New Stone Age in detail. After so many years of practicing food gathering, the Neolithic humans learned to plant their own crops and they also planned their harvest. They learned to select good quality of seeds and chose the best quality of seeds for their harvest. Humans learned to plow the land before planting the seeds. They removed the topsoil properly, sowed the seeds and started with their cultivation of crops. Due to these improvements in the agricultural practices, there was a very huge agricultural output. Thus, the agricultural production increased and this led to the methods for saving for the future. It was practiced in such a way that food could be stored till the next harvest. After the harvest, the fields were cleared for the next harvest by burning. The remains of animal bones and shelters found at the Neolithic sites tells us different varieties of animals were domesticated. That is, animals were used for domestic purposes. It can be for giving milk, meat, or for various protection reasons too. Animals like cow, pigs, sheep, goats were domesticated. Some of the animals like horse, ox and bulls were used for ploughing the land. That is, to remove the top layer of the soil in order to proceed with the agricultural activities. The milk from the animals were used by the humans. And also, the Neolithic humans became herders. Herding is the management of domesticated animals. The animals domesticated by the humans needed to be fed and must be kept safe. During the Neolithic age, people started settling together in a place. This was a result of agricultural activities. The Neolithic people settled and lived together, and these people were headed by a leader or a head. So, due to settled community, beginning of division of labor took place during the Neolithic age. That is, some people made tools, some people were herders, that is, they took their animals for grazing, and some people involved in the field of agriculture. Thus, the population increased because large quantities of food were available. The Neolithic people had the practice of burying their dead. That is, if anyone is dead, the Neolithic people will bury the body underground. Along with their body, objects used by the dead people were also buried. The homes of Neolithic farmers were usually larger. People constructed huts of dried grass and mud as shelter. Group of houses became a colony. Most of the human settlements during the Neolithic age were on the slope of the hills or near rivers. With farming as an important activity for the people, there was a demand for better and more effective tools. Heavy tools were used for digging and leveling the land. Grinding stones were invented for processing cereals and other food crops. Historians believe that the wooden plough was invented during this period. Pots were needed for storing excess grains and milk as well as water. The Neolithic people understood the importance of pottery, and so humans learned to make vessels out of clay and bake them on fire. Pots were also used for cooking and eating. Neolithic pottery in the northern India was black-grey in color with a shiny finish. One of the greatest inventions of the Neolithic humans was the wheel with an axle. An axle is a support that connects the wheel. This particular region is an axle. Okay, the green regions denote the wheel. Both the wheels are connected to an axle. I repeat, this particular region is an axle. Axle is a support on which the wheels rotate. The invention of axle allowed the wheel to move freely. Heavy objects were transported on wheels. So any object can be placed here on top of it and the wheels move with the help of an axle. This was invented during the Neolithic period. Historians believed that the Neolithic humans probably worshipped nature in different forms, because it seems that these people believed that all the things which they got during their day-to-day life was given by the nature. So these Neolithic humans worshipped nature. Several statues and figurines of mother goddesses were found at the Neolithic sites, denoting us that they had worshipped goddess in various forms. Thus, there was no proper religion for the Neolithic people, but historians believed that the Neolithic people worshipped nature or mother goddess in various forms. And after some years, the Neolithic people had also the practice of worshipping their dead. That is, if anyone in their family is dead, the dead people were also considered as God within their own families or community. People made ornaments of shells and beads. Remains of necklaces, bracelets and earrings have been found by the archaeologists. Thus, we have explored the Neolithic age or the New Stone Age by the source of information given by the archaeologists. Thank you.